right. DJI Tello. Unboxing. Fly more package, of course. So let's get to it. Unboxer. Nice, by the way. Check the detail. Real nice. So, does the owner want to do the honors?
No, you go ahead now.
Okay. DJI Tello. One of DJI's newest products, one of their smallest, most advanced products for an incredible price. DJI Tello. So, I'm sure that I'm going to mess this, open this knife up. Ah, okay. First try. Yeah, once again, this is a review or unboxing of the DJI Tello. Fly more package, of course.
Best drone on the market for its price, by the way, by far.
And that's a prediction before opening. Before opening this box. So it's got a couple sticky tabs on both sides. Come on. Do a little slit on each side. Of course, DJI has very nice boxing. Always nice boxing product packaging.
Make sure you guys also note that this drone is powered by DJI and Intel.
Intel. Check that up. Close up. The Intel symbol right there. Yeah, it's on the box. So it's definitely powered by Intel. So, if you open it up, there's a two-sided, very well insulated container. This looks like it has the Tello in it. Also in this box, you get the batteries. I love that they distinguish the color in yellow, orange, just to let you know you have something else in here. And there's little symbols on it that kind of shows you that this is the charger, possibly a battery, and the multi-charging unit. So, there. It's right here. And I just would happen to have on an orange shirt too today. That's no coincidence. So, see, there's a little open tab on here. Big open tab. So I don't think I'll need the trusty knife. That's a nice knife. Oh, no. Take that off. Put this to the side. Comes off nice and easy. Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah.
A little silica. You know, just to keep it fresh. A little silica.
Look at that.
Comes with the prop guards already on it. Let you see that. Tello. See that nice camera on the front. See those prop guards.
What size is that equivalent to of a drone that we have?
This would be a micro as far as a class size. This is a micro drone.
How's it feel?
It feels well made. This does not feel by any part cheap. This feels like somebody in the lab sat down and said, nope, that's not good enough. Nope, that's not good enough. Okay, this one will work. You can see the sensors on the bottom, which is a very nice feature for it to have. And by the way, this drone does retail for $100 without the Fly More package.
The Fly More package, I picked it up at Best Buy today. It was $150.
That's
which
I can't say how much of an awesome deal that is.
It was
$150.
It was $149.99. Plus tax brung it to around $158.
I'm going to sit this right here. There's another surprise under here.
What the hell is that?
And I'm guessing that this is a battery, since this looks like it just has a charger and the multi-charger in it. So even they put the battery in a nice looking box. This is a box that has fine candy in it or something. You know.
This is all the way a DJI packaging. This is how DJI packaged packages their drones. I know because I've bought quite
And
a few.
there's a surprise here that instead of them putting a nice battery in this package, this is the owner's manual.
Really?
The owner's manual is packaged in a box. So it just shows you the attention to detail that DJI has. And this one looks like a quick guide for the actual multi-charger. And this one is the small but dictionary-like thick
You can pass that over here when you're done.
manual to the DJI Tello. So it looks like they're keeping everything compact. You know, this package could have had a giant booklet that was this size, but they kept it small enough for you to fit it in your pocket,
That's a lot.
as the Tello would probably fit in a decent sized pocket. So that is the drone packaging and instruction manual. And this is the other package that comes with the Fly More pack. Let's see what's in here. So without pulling anything out, you can see the 3 batteries poking out and a charger. Looks like a USB type charger in it. So
Just to point out, the instruction manual is in multi
languages, of
multiple
course they are. Of course they are. DJI would have nothing less. So that's 1 battery.
But the good thing is English is here.
2 batteries. And yes, people, 3 batteries. 3 batteries. I'd say that that's at least an hour to an hour and a half of flying.
How's the quality on that cable? Because they normally give cheap cables when they give them free.
Oh, you said cheap
DJI
ones?
doesn't give cheap cables. Other companies
So-
normally do.
Just kind of unraveling this cable for you. This cable is very thick for a USB cable. Let you guys see the thickness right there. Yeah, that's very thick for a USB cable, and I would say that it's better quality than normal USB cables. That is, see. So I keep knocking down these batteries, not on purpose, people. I swear.
I normally pay attention to the cables, especially when you're charging certain devices. The cheaper the cable, the easier they go out and they just break and they're pointless pretty much.
So it looks like the way this box is designed that you have to open up both sides because it's kind of like a halfway design in here. They have things designed from this half to that half and a separation from this half to that half. So
That's clever.
it is.
And I think the markings on the box might say that too. Look on both sides at the bottom. Nope.
It doesn't give you a hint, but it's easy to tell once you open it up. So that's that beautiful multi-charger that you can, obviously connect to the USB cable for your not 1 but 3 batteries. Look, those are extra propellers with a propeller tool, which is very nice for them to include. No breaking fingernails trying to take these little small propellers off.
And the instructions are clearly marked in the instruction manual.
Yes, they are. I believe that
I just watched.
because that's DJI quality. So here's the full package. That's not included. Got this, the box, extra propellers,
That thing is fucking nice.
multi-charger.
You might have to edit that out.
Yeah, we'll edit that out. But that's an honest opinion of this product. Yeah. Once again, that's the Tello. Got the white version, very nice, very clean.
And the person that made the comment saying that this device is very nice is saying this is a nice device because he has a lot of these DJI products. Go ahead and
Yeah, we'll just pan around the room to show. That box is down. We'll just pan around the room to show the DJI support and quality that's included in this room. And of course, people, this one needs no introduction. That's the DJI Mavic with the controller. And of course, this one also had the Fly More package. Nothing less is acceptable. Nothing less.